Ever wondered what your urine says about your health? Proteinuria, the presence of excess proteins in urine, hints that your kidney's filtering system might be compromised. Normally, kidneys let extra salts and fluids pass but keep proteins in check. So today, let's have a look into creatinine levels. Creatinine, a waste product from muscle activity, is typically filtered out by healthy kidneys. Both protein levels in urine and blood creatinine levels reveal crucial insights into kidney health. If kidneys are damaged, they struggle to filter creatinine effectively. Ready to uncover the secrets of your kidneys? Let's get started. When the kidneys aren't functioning properly, the creatinine levels in the blood can rise. Damaged kidneys may also leak protein into the urine, leading to a condition called proteinuria. So, what are the symptoms of proteinuria? One telltale sign is foamy urine, a clear indicator of excess protein. Swelling in the hands, feet, or face, known as edema, is another symptom, as damaged kidneys struggle to maintain fluid balance. You might also experience fatigue, weakness, and a general sense of unwellness due to a shortage of essential amino acids from proteins. Proteinuria is a red flag for kidney damage, which can manifest as high blood pressure. This happens because compromised kidneys fail to regulate fluid levels properly, causing an increase in blood volume and consequently blood pressure. High blood pressure itself is a major risk factor for kidney disease. It's a vicious cycle. Kidney damage can lead to high blood pressure, and high blood pressure can, in turn, lead to further kidney damage. The effects of proteinuria on the kidneys are particularly concerning. Persistent protein leakage can cause inflammation and scarring of renal tissue, impairing your kidney's ability to filter blood effectively. Over time, this damage can progress to chronic kidney disease, a serious condition that may eventually lead to kidney failure. But did you know there's a vitamin that can help treat proteinuria quickly? If not, stay tuned, because in today's episode, we'll explore some highly effective remedies, including vitamins and tips to tackle proteinuria swiftly. First up, vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D are linked to fatigue, weak bones and muscles, and a faster decline in overall kidney health. However, taking vitamin D, either naturally or through supplements, has been shown to help alleviate and treat proteinuria. In fact, studies indicate that vitamin D deficiency is very common among patients with proteinuria, kidney damage, or chronic kidney disease. A 2017 study found that about 30 to 70% of patients with chronic kidney disease had low vitamin D levels. Additionally, a 2019 meta-analysis of 12 studies revealed that vitamin D supplementation significantly reduced proteinuria in patients with chronic kidney disease. You may ask, why is vitamin D so effective? First, vitamin D facilitates calcium absorption from the gut, ensuring adequate calcium levels in the blood. Calcium is essential for proper kidney function as it helps maintain the structure and function of kidney cells. Vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help prevent inflammation in your body, including your kidneys. Moreover, recent studies have shown that taking vitamin D supplements in calculated doses can help reduce proteinuria quickly. Many experts recommend taking 25 micrograms of vitamin D per day, but this may not be suitable for everyone. You should consult your doctor to determine the appropriate dose of vitamin D supplement based on the severity of your condition and your individual needs. It's also possible to be deficient in vitamin D even if you are consuming enough from foods or supplements. Or you can get it from the good old sunshine. That's the best source of natural vitamin D you can get. And the best part, it's free. But there's more to the story. There's a crucial mineral for vitamin D absorption and metabolism that we'll also learn about. So stay tuned. Number 2, vitamin K2. As mentioned before, vitamin D helps our body absorb calcium, which is vital for bone health and many other bodily functions. However, without enough vitamin K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places, like your blood vessels or kidneys. This can be a big problem because it can lead to calcification, which occurs when there's too much calcium in your blood vessels, causing issues like stiff arteries, high blood pressure, and potential kidney damage. When you take vitamin K2 along with vitamin D, it helps direct calcium to the right places, such as your bones, while preventing it from accumulating in areas where it can cause harm. Therefore, taking vitamin K2 with vitamin D can be a smart move, especially if you already have high calcium levels in your blood, proteinuria, or kidney damage. Number 3, reishi mushrooms. Not a vitamin, but reishi mushrooms are one of the best natural remedies to help treat proteinuria and repair damaged kidneys. They contain compounds that may have protective effects on the nephrons, the tiny filtration units in your kidneys. A 2018 study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that reishi mushroom extract significantly reduced proteinuria levels in patients with IgA nephropathy, a type of kidney disease characterized by excessive protein leakage in the urine. Another study in 2019, published in the journal Phytomedicine, reported that reishi mushroom extract improved kidney function in patients with chronic kidney disease by reducing inflammation and protecting kidney cells from damage. Studies suggest that reishi mushrooms have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, meaning they can neutralize harmful free radicals that could damage kidneys and cause inflammation. Some studies also indicate that reishi mushrooms can help protect the outer layer of nephrons, making them less absorbent. This protective effect helps prevent the breakdown of nephrons, aiding in the treatment of proteinuria and the reversal of kidney damage. You can find reishi mushrooms in various forms such as extracts, powders, or supplements. The recommended dosage typically falls between 750 and 1,100 milligrams per day. But always consult your healthcare expert to determine the appropriate dose for your individual needs and condition. Number 4. Angiotensin receptor blockers. Angiotensin receptor blockers, or ARBs for short, are commonly used to manage conditions like high blood pressure, heart failure, and kidney diseases. ARBs work by blocking the action of a hormone called angiotensin II, which causes blood vessels to constrict, leading to increased blood pressure. By inhibiting angiotensin II, ARBs help blood vessels relax and dilate, lowering blood pressure. This relaxation effect also reduces the pressure within the kidney's filtering units, known as glomeruli, helping to decrease the leakage of protein into the urine. Number 5. Magnesium. Magnesium deficiency is very common in people with kidney diseases. When there's not enough magnesium, it can interfere with how vitamin D works in your body. Studies show that without sufficient magnesium, about 75% of kidney patients end up storing vitamin D but can't use it effectively. This is because magnesium helps convert vitamin D into calcitriol, the active form of vitamin D that interacts with vitamin D receptors to exert its biological effects. Without enough magnesium, the conversion of vitamin D into calcitriol is hindered, reducing vitamin D's activity in the body. Additionally, magnesium facilitates the absorption of vitamin D from the intestines into the bloodstream. Therefore, adequate magnesium levels are crucial for ensuring your body absorbs enough vitamin D from foods or supplements. Aim for a dietary magnesium intake of 400 to 420 milligrams per day for adult men and 310 to 320 milligrams per day for adult women. You can get enough magnesium from leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, or you can take magnesium supplements as advised by your healthcare expert. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.